marble shader is another shader in the surface category, marble, to create a marble stone texture that you have to use it in reflectance, displacement, and other channel to create a shader. This isn't just the texture of that. Here is a color. You can change the color of your marble or any color that you want instead of, for example, black, something like that. You can change actually a scale of this in X, Y, or Z, this texture, and how much turbulence do you want to need, less or more. That's it. And then you can use it in a displacement as a black and white and give an interesting reflection to that to create a stone marble. That's it. It's just a simple texture.